How to change your alternator on a 2005 Mercury Montego. Alright, the first step is to take the belt off. And the tension arm is located right here. I don't know, it's starting to get dark. I have to see my hand, but it's behind this panel here. I took it off and bent it back, and the tension arm's right here, approximately, to take the belt off. Then once you get the belt off, you have to unwire the alternator, pull the plug out, and then you have to get the ground wire off, which is bolted on. And then also there's another wire that is mounted to the plastic shroud that is covering the alternator. I don't know if you can see the plastic shroud, but that's to the crank arm positioner of that wiring. So basically there's 3 wires you got to undo. And then once you undo the 3 wires, you can take the 3 bolts out of the alternator. Here's the old alternator right here. It's got the 3 bolts, the plug, and the ground. And that's going to be sitting in there like so. When you're looking in from the wheel well, I'll be looking about that position. So you gotta get to this ground wire here, the plug, and then the crank arm sensor comes across the front here. So that's why you gotta undo that. Basically, once you unwire them 3 and unbolt it, that'll slide right out. The only trick is you gotta turn the wheel all the way to the right to get it in and out, because it compresses that when you turn the wheel all the way to the right. I'm trying to see with the flashlight here. It's getting dark on me. This boot will compress, and that'll give you the room to slide the alternator in and out. But if you don't, that's basically the only trick right there, is to turn that wheel all the way to the right, and that'll give you the clearance to get it in and out. Besides taking this flap off, mud flap or whatever, partially off, I did that only to get to the tensioner on the belt. So once I get the belt back on, I can put that back together, and we're good to go. So, but yeah, well, basically wasn't that bad. Looked a lot harder than it actually was. Good luck.